Hey guys, welcome to my channel. For today's video, I wanted to create a nice pretty eye look with a little bit of glitter in there. I used the Pure Cosmetics Festival palette. So I was FaceTiming my sister and she told me she was getting Lion King-esque vibes from the eye look. So that's what we're gonna go with. So if you'd like to see how I achieved this Lion King-esque colored vibe situation, then let's go ahead and get into it. Hi guys, so I feel like it's been forever since I filmed something, so woo! Alright, so I went ahead and did my base products off camera. I used the Touch and Soul No Problem primer, and I really have been liking this one. For foundation, I used the L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear Foundation. I've been really liking that one as well. And I used my Morphe concealer and also the e.l.f. concealer and kind of mixed them together. I love both of these. So for the eyes today, I'm going to use the Pure Cosmetics Festival palette. I believe this came in the BoxyCharm in May. Okay, so this is the palette here. I've used some of the shades here. I really like this transition shade. Shimmers are nice, and these are two really pretty glitters, and they actually work very well. So what I'm thinking today is I'm gonna use this here. I'm gonna use this one and this one to deepen up the outer corner. I'm gonna use this as a shimmer shade, and I'm also gonna use this glitter somewhere in my eyes. I'm not quite sure yet. So for the first shade, I'm gonna take Epic, and I'm gonna use this in my transition area. And it's nice because it has a mirror, so I'll be able to use this very conveniently. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and zoom you in. This is the Sigma blending brush. It's the E40. I love this brush. I've had it for like probably 5 years now. It was one of the first brushes I'd ever purchased, and I love it. Now I'm going to take this Morphe M441 brush. It's a nice tapered blending brush, and I'm going to go into the shade Hidden Desert. Do this right underneath the transition shade just to make everything a little bit deeper. And it's gonna look messy before I cut the crease, so don't worry about that. We'll go back and clean it up afterwards, and it'll be good to go. Do the outer corner. Now I'm going to go back in with the original transition shade and just blend everything together. Now I'm going to go back into the Hidden Desert shade and deepen everything up again before we go in with that dark brown. Now I'm going to go ahead and take this deep brown shade called All Night, and I'm going to put this in the outer corner. So I'm using a bigger blended brush because I don't want it to be too sharp. I just want it to add some shadow at the outer edges but not make it too intense. So this is gonna help blend it out a little bit easier and make it look more seamless. So now that we added that color, I'm gonna go back in with my transition shade and blend everything. And now we'll go in with that Hidden Desert shade and also just re-add that on top. And we'll go back in again with the brown and deepen it up once more. So now I'm gonna go ahead and cut the crease. I'm gonna use this e.l.f. concealer. Now I'm going to take this glitter, the pink one, the fireworks one, and I'm going to add this right here on the outer edge of where we cut the crease. I think I'm just going to use my finger. So get my finger. Okay, so it's still sticking to my finger. I'm gonna try the same brush we cut the crease with instead and see how this works. Oh yeah. This definitely applies it a lot better. If you use your fingers, it just sticks to it and it doesn't go on your eyes. And for this inner corner of my eyes, I'm gonna use this Sunset shade. Now I'm gonna add some of the 24 karat gold and I'm gonna put it over the pink one. And now I'm gonna deepen up that outer corner again with the brown. Just kind of blend it together. And now I'm gonna take the Hidden Desert shade. And then now the transition shade. For the inner corner, I'm gonna take this shimmer here called Free Spirit. For eyeliner, I'm gonna take this Morphe brown shade. It's called Bar. And I'm gonna run that along my lower lash line. I'm gonna take the brown shade All Night with this Morphe E36, and it's just a small smudging brush. I love this brush for underneath my eyes. Now I'm gonna take that next color, the Hidden Desert, and smoke that out a little bit more and just kind of blend them together. And lastly, we're gonna go in with the transition shade and really just blow this out. All right, now I'm gonna go ahead and do my other eye off camera and I'll be right back. All right, guys, so that is it for this makeup look. The little boys wanted to come say hi and they were ready for me to come play with them, so I figured I would just film my outro with my little guy and we'll go get brother too so he could say hello. How's that sound? Alright, here's Mr. Lucas. Say hi, Lucas! If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more. And we will see you guys in the next video. Say bye! And high five.